called the Estrella. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Okay.
And we were actually fortunate enough to get to pick color schemes and do all that. And so we got to, pick colors, pick floors,
Custom,
do a little bit of do some of the customizing. And the biggest one for me, like I said, is really the timing. That was where I was struggling the most. I figured, getting a new job and making more money that, a house would come, obviously, eventually you'd be able to afford something. But, but like I said, I was thinking, 6, 7, 8 months out. And then I was thinking, another couple months after. So, we're in all reality, we're looking at, 10 to 12 months before we're getting a home. And in reality, it took us 2 months. 2 months.
Still
And so 2 months from the day we walked in, kind of about, maybe even less than that.